The bull run will be talked about. People, it looks like everything is going to be great. Bitcoin wants to reach a new all-time high, while XRP wants to stay at $3. We'll talk about a lot of other options. When will Bitcoin finally break out and hit the powerful $150,000 level in the first quarter of 2025? Will we see the boom that many people have predicted? I'll take care of you. In other words, relax and take it easy. Let's start. With a $102,574 Bitcoin, it has gone up 1.39% in the last day. Ethereum is now worth $38.89, up 0.62%. The prices of Lust USDT and USDC are all still 99 cents while we wait for the Ripple stablecoin to go live. We do have some notes for the second film today. That has to do with wallets. Since Ripple stablecoin's main website page is now public, we can look forward to its launch. I would say any day now unless they want to wait until the start on January 1st of next year. At $2.40, XRP's charts show that the price is strong and optimistic. It's at 6.7% right now. What's next for us? The market value of all cryptocurrencies is still between 3.5 and 4 trillion yen, or 3,666 billion yen. Okay, it looks like everything is bright. It looks like everything is going well. By January 1st, the Martini guy had already picked all of his points. He is looking forward to a good push-up and a good move-up total for the last 2 weeks of December. He has a thought. He thinks XRP will break above $3 and hit $3 and hit $3.10, while I think it will go over $5,300. It was unknown to Phantom 4 and a quarter heart how much 20 pennies was. Polkadot came to me for 20 cents and I owed her 90 cents. That will be a 2x in 2 weeks. We've been buying return side coins which add up to $400 a week at a rate of $1.50 until January 1st. Where else could you discover them? Is it possible for Solana to finally get away and hit the $300 age range? That would be really cool too. Let's see. Given how good the markets look right now, it looks like it might be true. There's some green. Bitcoin has been getting ready for its next leg up and push up for a few months now. We've been talking about how Q1 2025 will be a huge boom and a great time for the bigger coin markets. It's not just Bitcoin. Not just some coins, all of them, because that's what will cause the change when the US tax season comes around. Then there was the decline in March and April, and then those blow-off tops. I'm ready for what 2025 summer and fall will bring. I'm not sure about you. I only want XRP to do something. Give us a market value of $1 trillion and a rise above $1.1520 when I want it to happen. Because I can tell you right now that those places will blow up completely. As the price of XRP goes up, it gets harder to hold on to it. Why does that happen? The answer is simple. The price of XRP changes more often as you make more money. For example, it recently dropped from almost $270 to $1.90. You look at your assets more and more, and it looks like you are losing money. And the game gets hard to understand. We were seeing these small changes of 5 cents when XRP was set at. This will go back to 60 cents. It's all good, but when prices rise into the 2-, 3-, 5-, or $10 range during a bull run, they often go back down. While the market was rising, we hit 5 and then dropped quickly to 3. Man, I should have sold at 5. I just lost tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. During the process, the body is hurt. It really wears you out. This was put out by Dr. Profits. He talked about boxes and what's coming next. He says that the next move will be up. He is talking about Bitcoin. This is what he called, and it's exactly right. Box 2 cost around $45,000 to $72,000, as you can see. After a short time of moving sideways, we called for the breakout to happen at the time we had planned. The amount we would pay would be between $90,000 and $100,000. As you can see, we're basically at $105,000 right now, which is where that box is. After 4 or 5 stops, he's about to do a huge push-up, getting Bitcoin's price up to about 125. We told you that the numbers we're looking for are 108 to 115. It will be easy to get $150,000 in Bitcoin. But we need to get out of the range we're in now, which is box 3. The market as a whole will go up if Bitcoin does. Once Bitcoin has reached its peak, money will leave it and move into other cryptocurrencies. I can taste how close we are. I can feel it. The feeling is clear on social media. It's getting pretty strong, and you can see some of these charts over the weekend, you know. Slowly but surely, they get closer and closer until it's too late. Our chances rely on the races we go to. 2% of 5% of 50% equals 100%. Just to tell you, XRP was only worth about 60 cents in November, around Thanksgiving. Then, After 2 weeks, XRP went from being worth 60 cents to being worth $2.70 to $2.80 in just 2 weeks. The same amount of time will pass in just 2 weeks, people, when we talk about these goals. That's all. A lot could happen and change in the world of cryptocurrencies in 2 weeks. Pay close attention to his positive time frame, especially after the crypto minute. We are about to enter the bullish part of the cycle. The analyst talks about how he got Bitcoin and he thinks XRP will go through the roof and hit $2.90. It was his guess that XRP's price would soon hit $2.90. Between $225 and $250, the XRP market formed a stabilization, and this prediction comes with little change. If you look at the market, XRP has gained more than 340% since November 5th. This makes it one of the biggest winners after the US elections, he cried. In a tweet from just now, cryptocurrency XRP is showing a possible price path to hit $2.90. He stresses how important it is for the hourly chart of XRP to close above 250, because this should cause prices to go up a lot. It's likely that all coins will try 260 again. This means that people who are bullish on the market need to buy more at this price. He said the bull market was still going strong after $2.60 passed the retake. We are now up to $2.94, which is only 24.4% below its peak. Hey everyone, the week is over today. XRP looks like it's doing well right now. It's staying in this range, which is great for XRP to gain speed and let people set their sights on the $3 range in the next blast, since the walls and resistance are now around $240. Amazing coin, according to my friends who don't trade. To help you remember the big picture, you need to make the picture a little bigger. This building and XRP look like they have been very well taken care of and are going up. It's crazy. Don't worry about what happens during these shorter times. It all sounds good. So for now, don't worry about the shorter terms if you aren't trading XRP. If you zoom out and look at the XRP picture, you can see where the bullish trend is going. It's almost time to go. Let me make this bigger for those. Are your eyes on the screen? There you have it. Could we get back on our feet? 2017, because it could happen. If it happens, that's normal. But after that, there will be a push up to 290, and as the year goes on and the bull run continues, we'll reach the first quarter of 2025. XRP is selling between $20 and $30, which means it is almost ready to blow off. His claim is that XRP's market value of $1 million is almost certain to happen. We have shown the numbers for XRP's market value of $1 million. We think that XRP will be worth around $20 to $30 or even more. You never know where a blow-off top will lead you. We are still very early in this bull run, as I've said before on this show. The starter was just plain clear. They have already taken your plate away and are getting ready to put the main course on it when it comes out. Now, the third, fourth, and fifth waves will happen. These waves will create a parabolic explosion that will send XRP to the $20, $30, or even $40 price goal.